Hey guys, welcome back to Inchworm Gardens. So I just received a very exciting package in the mail and I want to take you along for the unboxing of 2 beautiful new fruit trees. And between these 2 trees, there is 10 varieties of fruit. How is that even possible? Let's take a look. Open it?
Yeah!
Alright, so the excitement has attracted my roommates, so they're going to help us out. Alright, you guys ready? Let's lift this up. What do we have, June? Ooh. Alright, so I got this from a company called fastgrowingtrees.com. I have never ordered from them before, but upon initial inspection, it looks really nice, packaged really well. Has these tree collars kind of holding everything in place. So let's take these out, see what we got. Hey Jennifer, look at this. We got some trees.
Number 2 staples.
Where are you putting them?
Yeah, I'll take that. All right.
Okay, I'll keep.
All right, so this first tree is our 5-in-1 apple tree. So what this is an apple tree that actually has 5 different varieties grafted onto it. So you have one main stem here, and each one of these is a separate variety. And here's what we got. We have Honey Crisp growing over here. We have a yellow transparent here, a Granny Smith apple, a Fuji apple, and a Brayburn. So that's 5 different apple varieties on one plant. And it looks really nice. Look at that nice thick stem. It's about 3/4 of an inch. Wow, so upon first inspection, looks really nice. Very happy with this. Let's check out the next one. All right, and here's our second tree. This is our 5-in-1 cherry tree. And again, this has a really nice thick stem. That's almost a full inch thick. Looks really healthy. So the whole thing with this company, fastgrowingtrees.com, they sell trees that are already a few years old, and the whole point is that they will hopefully fruit much earlier. So they should fruit. It's possible they will fruit this year or maybe next year, but that's pretty good. If you know fruit trees, it can take 3, 4, 5 years for them to fruit, but we're hoping to get fruit as little as 1 to 2 years on these. So let's check out what varieties we got. We have the Royal Anne cherry, you have the Black Tartarian, the Lappin's cherry, the Van cherry, and the Montmorency cherry. I'm not really sure what any of these are. I'm gonna go ahead and put some pictures of them so we can see. But again, first look, this looks really nice, really happy with that. And both of these trees are in this little drop and grow system. So they're already in a nice burlap sack that's full of soil and fertilizer, so we can just dig a hole and drop these right in the ground. Here's a closer look at the grafts. Looks real nice, real clean. So cool. Man, I can't wait to see this thing flowering and producing all this different fruit. Really amazing. So the cherry tree is going to go in our front yard, right next to the house. Let's start digging. All right, so we got the hole dug. It said to dig the hole as deep as the root ball and twice as wide, so that's looking pretty good. And let me just peek inside here. So we can keep this burlap sack in here. And let's see, that's just like some pretty good basic potting mix in there. So the roots will just grow through this burlap, and the burlap will eventually just break down. All right, here's a look at it in the ground. Really nice. Put a nice thick layer of wood chip mulch around it. That is looking real good. All right, and this apple tree is gonna go in the back side of our yard, next to this little bench and creek we have on our property. So we're gonna get this guy dug in. All right, so we got that apple tree planted, nice thick wood chip mulch, and now we're gonna water both these trees in real deeply, help them get established. I'm so excited to see these guys grow and fruit, and I will share the updates with you guys. So thanks so much for watching. Catch you on the next one.